In this video, we'll show you how to change the notification sound of the Google Messages app on your Android. So to do this, long press on the Messages app and then tap on this info icon right here. Now go to notifications. Here scroll down and you will see this notification categories option. If you have a Samsung phone and if you don't see this notification categories option, skip to the next part of the video where I show how to enable it. Once you have enabled it, simply tap on it. Now here under default settings, tap on incoming messages. Now select sound and then choose a different sound from the list. Then go back to the previous menu and your notification sound is now changed. Now if you don't see the notification categories option on your Samsung phone, go to the settings app. Now tap on notifications. Here tap on advanced settings and then enable this option called manage notification categories for each app. Once you have done this, you should be able to change the notification sound for the Google Messages app.